Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable LDAC for your Soundcore Liberty 3 Pro. So to do this, you have to select your earbuds from the application, then you have to scroll down to the sound mode, and right here you can switch from the audio and connection quality to audio quality, and right now we are going to enable the LDAC audio codec, and then I will be able to have the better sound quality. So now just be patient and wait for this 10 seconds. There we go, and right now we are successfully with the LDAC function. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.